Imagine one day, you wake up and the universe as we know it has started to tear apart. A chilling thought, isn't it? Yet it is a concept that has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike. The idea of the universe tearing apart is not some wild fantasy, but a theoretical concept grounded in the bedrock of scientific thought. It's a concept that is born out of our understanding of the universe and its fundamental constituents. The cosmos, as we perceive it, is not a static entity. It is dynamic, ever-changing, and according to some theories, could potentially be susceptible to catastrophic events. One such theory that has gained traction in recent years is the Big Rip theory. Now, this isn't your regular apocalypse scenario. We're not talking about asteroids, nuclear wars, or even the sun swallowing the Earth. No, the Big Rip theory is on a whole other scale. It suggests that the accelerated expansion of the universe, driven by the mysterious force known as dark energy, could eventually lead to its destruction. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into this idea. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, some 13 billion years ago. But this expansion is not slowing down, as one might expect. Instead, it's accelerating. And the culprit behind this unexpected acceleration? That would be dark energy, an elusive force that makes up roughly 70% of the universe. According to the Big Rip theory, if the density of dark energy remains constant, the universe could continue to expand at an ever-increasing rate. This would stretch the fabric of the universe to such an extent that it would eventually tear apart. First, galaxies would be shredded, then solar systems, stars, and even atoms. Sounds like a plot straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But remember, this is a theory grounded in the rigorous laws of physics. It is a possibility, however remote, that we cannot completely dismiss. So, if the universe is indeed tearing apart, what would be the signs? If such a catastrophic event were to occur, we wouldn't be completely clueless. There would be signs that the universe, as we know it, is tearing apart. Imagine the universe as a vast cosmic web with galaxies strung like beads along its threads. The first sign of the end would be a shift in this cosmic structure. The distances between galaxies would begin to increase, not just inch by inch, but at an accelerated, alarming rate. This isn't just about our neighboring galaxies moving further away. This is about the isolation of our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. As the universe expands, galaxies would move so far away that their light would never reach us. They would disappear from our view, leaving us in a universe that appears much emptier than it is now. The night sky, a canvas of twinkling stars and distant galaxies, would undergo a drastic transformation. The number of visible stars would dwindle, leaving behind a dark, seemingly infinite void. Our once vibrant Milky Way would become a solitary island in an ocean of darkness. However, the changes wouldn't just be visual. There would be an increase in something we scientists call dark energy. This enigmatic force is believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. As it increases, it would cause the fabric of space-time to stretch, like a rubber sheet being pulled at its edges. This stretching of space-time is more than just an abstract concept. It would have real, tangible effects. It would distort the universe, stretching it thin until it's on the verge of tearing apart. These signs, the isolation of galaxies, the darkening night sky, the increase in dark energy, they all point towards one thing: the impending end of the universe. These signs would be our first hint that the universe is on the brink of destruction. But what would happen next? As the universe continues to tear apart, things would take a turn for the worse. Imagine the vast cosmos we know, the galaxies, the stars, the planets, the atoms that make up everything, being stretched and pulled apart. It's a scenario that would see the very fabric of existence being ripped at the seams. Now let's take this concept a little further. As the universe continues to dilate, we could even see atoms being torn apart. That's right, the building blocks of life, the very core of our existence, could be ripped apart. What's left would be a soup of subatomic particles, a universe devoid of structure. A chilling thought, isn't it? This tear would usher in a dark, empty universe. Picture a cosmos devoid of galaxies, stars, and planets. A universe without the beautiful tapestry of cosmic bodies we've come to know. A universe void of life as we understand it. It's a haunting image. A universe stripped of its grandeur, reduced to a dark, empty void. Now, before we get too lost in this bleak picture, it's important to mention that this end scenario is purely theoretical. Many scientists believe that the universe will continue to expand at a steady rate without this catastrophic tear. The cosmos continues to surprise us, constantly challenging our understanding and theories. After all, the universe has been around for about 13.8 billion years, and it's likely to continue for many billions more. While the tearing apart of the universe is a grim scenario, it's important to remember that this is just one of many theories about the end of the universe. The cosmos has always been a place of mystery and wonder, and it will continue to be so, regardless of how it chooses to end its story. It's a testament to our human curiosity that we continue to ponder these questions, to explore the universe and its many possibilities. In the aftermath of such a catastrophic event, what could possibly remain? One might imagine a void, an absolute nothingness. But even in the wreckage of a universe, there may be glimmers of existence. Theories suggest that the remnants of our universe might not merely dissolve into oblivion. Instead, these remnants could serve as the seeds of a new universe, giving birth to another cosmic epoch. This is where the concept of a multiverse comes into play. It's an idea that proposes the existence of infinite universes, ours being just one of many. If our universe tears apart, it could potentially create a ripple effect, triggering the birth of a new universe in this vast multiverse. But let's be clear, these are all theories, educated guesses based on our current understanding of physics and cosmology. We're still just scratching the surface of the cosmic truth. The end of our universe could potentially be the beginning of another. The universe tearing apart is a fascinating, albeit terrifying concept that reminds us of the vastness and mystery of the cosmos.